Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to C language tutorials. I am going to cover various concepts of C programming. This includes both the theory and sample programs, which helps you in learning the C language in very simple and easy way. Let's begin our journey with the introduction to C programming and its features. What is C? C is a general purpose computer programming language. It was developed by Dennis Ritchie in 1972 in USA. Now I am going to discuss about C features. C program written and compiled in one machine will run in any other machine or OS. For example, if you write C programming and compiled in Windows machine, can run in Linux machine also. This feature is called portability or machine independent. C supports both high-level and low-level programming features. It's called mid-level programming language. C is a structured programming language. C programming language provides structural blocks like decision-making blocks, if-else, repetitive blocks, for loop, while loop, and functions in order to break a large problem into small parts which are easy to understand and maintain. Decision-making, repetitive blocks, and functions will be covered in later videos. C instructions must be written in lowercase letters. In C, the uppercase and lowercase characters are different. That means uppercase for is not the same as lowercase for. All C statements must end with a semicolon. For every open brace, there must be respective closing brace. If you write anything that is not allowed, you will get a compile time error. So C language is a syntax-based language. C supports various inbuilt functions and libraries. Thank you so much for watching our C channel videos. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you once again.